Hi, my name is Antti and I'm going to tell you about why sales doesn't like your product. So, if you are in a position that your product is not selling well and you see that the sales department is not using much time with your product, maybe it's a good time to look at the mirror and check that have you provided such sales support material that really fits to the needs of the sales persons. If you are not able to communicate the value your product is bringing to the customers, if you are not able to describe that who actually are the customers of your product, and if you are not able to provide simple means of showing the value in some kind of a concrete manner to the customers, like value calculators, feature comparisons to the competition, then it will be very difficult for the salespeople to sell your product. So make the selling easy, or even make the buying of your products easy, then it's much easier for the sales to perform. And when they are performing well, then your product sales will go up. Thank you.